Hello, and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys my flawless skin routine because this skin is not flawless, okay? Yeah, kind of sucks. And I don't want to like come on here and say I have the worst skin ever because I don't, but it really does kill my self-esteem and I just hate not being confident enough to walk out and just like wear my bare skin. I've kind of like found the products that work best for my skin and like actually do cover my acne. There really is a big difference on how my skin looks. So I thought it'd be cool to show you guys what products I use, like the techniques and stuff. Having acne all over your face sucks, like major balls. So I just, want to help you guys out. Just make sure you moisturize your skin pretty well before adding anything on your skin and that it's like nice and smooth. I can get really flaky, dry skin. Gross. I have been obsessed with like two different foundations right now. One that is really good at like full coverage, stays on whenever I want it to, is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro. I use the color Pecan in this. Another one I've been like seriously obsessed with is one by LA Girl, and I am in Soft Honey in this one. So I really do go back and forth. I use, if anything, the LA Girl more often, but if I want to go out and if I don't want my makeup to move like 100%, I will use the Bare Minerals because this thing does not move. It only moves when I tell it to. It's very loyal to me. So I'm gonna use this one in today's tutorial. I like to go in with a flat top brush just because I like to like buff it into my skin. I feel like you can get more coverage with using a brush. This is by Au Natural Cosmetics. It's a vegan brand. I got this a few years ago, so I don't know how much their brand has evolved, but yeah, this is like one of my favorite makeup brushes. Do you guys see this? Like, what? Look at that mound. That mountain. Yeah, that's also partially my fault. I definitely picked at it. Spread it over evenly with my finger. I'll pick up the rest of it with the brush and then I'll just go in like this in downward strokes. Honestly, I think I might do an extra pump. This is like a lighter coverage and you can build this foundation up. That's why I really like it. I'm gonna go in with another pump because this is a flawless skin full coverage tutorial and I'm all about it. So if I ever went again with the second pump, I go in with the brush. I'll just add more foundation on the spots that I think need more. If you see a bit of brush strokes on your face and you can't really like get rid of them, don't worry, because I like to go in with a makeup sponge like after just to, blend out any like brush strokes that may have stayed on my face. And then right here, see that zip? It's gone. But yeah, this is honestly crazy. Like I've been wearing this much makeup every single day and most people would be like, well, maybe you should stop wearing this much makeup and let your skin breathe and actually let it get better. But I swear when I stop wearing a lot of makeup, my skin breaks out even more. I don't know if it's just like my skin, but I swear if I have a really good skin day and I'm just like, wow, I'm just not gonna wear makeup today, I swear I'll get like 3 new pimples that day. I don't know, weird theory, but I swear when I don't wear makeup, I break out even more. So something weird I do is I don't like to put foundation on my nose. It gets so dry around the sides that if I added makeup on it, you could see like all the dry skin, and if anything, put like very light foundation on it, but I do not like full on put as much makeup on my nose than I do the rest of my face. I lost my sponge. So best like full coverage concealer I've been using is like the Becca Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer. This is in Honey and it's so thick with like 3 C's that if you add too much, it's kind of hard to like make it look natural. This is better. I'm gonna try to not poke my eye. Oh, so scary. And if I see like any acne spots that I missed, I'll go in over them. Like maybe here, maybe there, maybe here. Once I have all that, I just go ahead and blend it out. And if there's any extra on the sponge, I'll go ahead and like try to, God, this is just so bad. This is what I would face tune. I swear this concealer is so sticky. It like takes a while to blend, if anything. This matte setting powder by Pretty Vulgar. It doesn't leave my face cakey at all. Like I really have been like liking it. So I'm just gonna grab this like this is honestly kind of gross. Sorry. This is by Laura Mercier. That's brand at Sephora, this one specifically. You can buy this separately and it's just nice. You can wash it, or you can keep it dirty like me. Yeah, I like to use it to set like any powder, like no matter what brand. Blend out any creases underneath my eye and then I'll go in before any more creases appear. Carefully set the forehead too, just because the brush can easily move around your liquid makeup. Just setting it like this assures you that it's not gonna move. I always set here my smile lines because, I don't know, I smile a lot and I've created wrinkles at the young age of 21. Also here, let's cover this mound. You could still see it, it's fine. We're just gonna pretend it's not there. Oh god, okay. So I'm gonna grab the Cocoa Contour Palette. This is the second brush I really love using. This one's by Everyday Minerals, I believe, and it's another vegan brand. Love the dome shape. I feel like it's perfect for bronzing. So I just go in like so. Oh my god, I dropped it. Take off the carpet fuzzies. And I just go wherever I feel like my face should look darker because I have a very round face. It's kind of hard to contour sometimes. So I go like this. It helps a lot. And then I'll go down here on the sides of my face too. Oh my god, it's actually really dark now. Why? Sometimes I'll get it in my hair, you know. I like to get messy. It's like I'm petting my face with a brush. I'm just like doing like really small strokes. It may look like a, you know, like a 5 o'clock shadow, but I dig it. So this is a blush I've been getting a lot of compliments on Instagram for. This is by Note and they're colored Desert Rose. And it's kind of just like this peachy red a little bit, but I really do love it. So I'll start here in the center, but then I'll always just like brush the blush down towards the bronzer so they kind of look like, you know, they're blended together. I just like love blush. If anything, I always add way too much. I mean, it's fine, but it's something that I'm into. If I want it to look like extra cutesy, I'll grab like very lightly a bit more on the brush and then I'll just like sweep across the center of my face. Okay, and I literally switch up the highlighter I use like every single day. I do just love using so many different ones. This is in Gilded Honey and I just like love highlighters that are more like rose gold. I just feel like these kinds of colors complement darker skin. This brush I love using is one by Sigma and this is their high cheekbone highlighter. Next I'm going to be highlighting like my brow bone, like inner corners. The nose is like a big thing for me. I'm kind of known for having a shiny ass nose whenever I like go up and meet with people, and I just like go slightly like halfway up and then here on the top and then always on the inner corner. It's just my favorite thing. Alright, and this is basically my skin routine. It's very full coverage as you guys can see, but I just like love these products and they really do work for my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll be right back. Alright you guys, and this is the finished makeup look. Oh yeah, and if you guys want to know what lip color I ended up putting on, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte liquid lipstick in Hudson. And I love it because it's the perfect nude in my opinion. I'm obsessed with it. If you currently struggle with your skin, please don't think that you need to do makeup like this every single day. This is just personally what I do. So hopefully you guys learned something from this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video.